Hi, I'm Jamie. I work for Westholme Farm and I'm a plasma operator here. We work towards in the rail industry, renewable energy, gas, and we are working a lot offshore as well. So we were looking at various different plasmas, trying to work out what would be best for the company. Obviously, we're trying to find something that can come with our specifics of good hole sizes and to the speed and the good quality. So we were checking around, having a look, and we thought this would be the best fit. The KUTAVAR team come down and they went through it with myself, and we worked around how to program it, how to move it around the different materials, with it being ferrous and non-ferrous. We worked out what was the best positioning for the holes, how to get the best quality out of that. I think it's hard to put a number on how much time we're saving, but in the overall scheme of things, instead of using two different sets of machinery to get it done, we're getting it all done on one machine. Instead of using multiple people, we can just get it done with one, and we're saving a lot of time and a lot of money doing it. We did look at different variations, but due to this as high-tech speed and the quality it can deliver for us, as a company we knew it could push us forward into different boundaries. So we decided this would be the best fit for our company and where we want to be moving forward. We've been doing various stainless from 3mm all the way up to 20, same with aluminium as well. Mild steel, we've managed to go anywhere from 1mm all the way up to 50mm. So we've been able to do a good variety and a good standard of quality on each one as well. I'd definitely recommend KUTAVAR to other people due to the fact of they're easier to use, easy to learn, and how to move around the system to work in a high standard. With simple systems as CAD built into it is a very useful thing that can save time in a lot of companies.